Good. We're now going to have a look at exercise 9 and the correction of that exercise. In 9.1, you saw a picture or a poster which you would find on the wall of a plastic surgeon's surgery. And the title of this actually very famous painting is "Be Born Again." That is part of the ad. It's not the title of the masterpiece itself. The piece of art itself is called "The Creation of Adam" by Michelangelo. But the title "Be Born Again" refers to the fact that for some people undergoing plastic surgery is basically the same as being born again. They become a new person because of the plastic surgery that they had. And that's what the ad cleverly refers to. Okay. In exercise 9.2, you saw some of the most common reasons that people have for undergoing plastic surgery. You had to rank them, 1 being the best reason, 10 being the worst. Of course, here you fill in your own ranking, you give your own opinion. But let's have a look at some of the words in this exercise and make sure that you understand everything. First one here, to fix scars. Scars zijn littekens. And deformities. Deformities could also be littekens, afwijkingen, those kind of things, which are the result of accidents. For example, a car accident, a fire, those type of accidents. Morbid obesity is morbide obesitas. It means you are that much overweight that you could actually die from it. A gastric bypass is een maagverkleining. A cleft lip is what we know in Dutch as een hazenlip. Breast augmentation is een borstvergroting. Kan ook een verkleining zijn, maar in ieder geval er wordt iets aan gedaan omdat de vrouw in kwestie tevreden is. Muscle implants, het implanteren van spieren. Alleen niet van, dus je gaat de spieren implanteren met iets anders. For example, to have a bigger bottom. Some people have their bottom implanted, or other muscles to make them look bigger or nicer or whatever. To remove excess skin means het verwijderen van huidoverschot. And to boost your self-esteem because you are insecure about your body means je zelfvertrouwen een boost geven. In exercise 9.3, we then had to complete the collocations expressing reasons for plastic surgery. Collocations, as we already know from the past, are fixed expressions. Vaste uitdrukkingen die men geeft in het Engels. For example, to turn back the hands of time betekent de tijd tegenhouden of terugdraaien zelfs. To hold back the aging process, to hold back ook tegenhouden. And the aging process means the process of becoming older, of aging. To fix scars or deformities due to an accident. To prevent morbid obesity. To correct birth defects, such as cleft lips, ear deformities, that kind of thing. To get rid of too much me by means of liposuction, het verwijderen van vet. To make more of me in the right places, like for example, breast augmentation. To ease psychological trauma by means of breast reconstruction, for example, for people who have had breast cancer. To remove excess skin after massive weight loss, and to boost self-esteem because you are insecure about it. And in the last exercise, you had to watch a video about Renee Zellweger, who is a famous actress. And you had to watch, as I said, a video about her, about a body makeover that she underwent. The first question, what does Sharon Osbourne think Zellweger had done? She has had her fatty eyelids removed. Apparently, when your eyelids are a bit fatty, you can have that corrected. Did Zellweger admit that she had a makeover? No, she made no reference to the rumors, though she said this sentence is a bit unclear. She made no reference to the enhancement rumors, though said she is healthy after not having taken care of herself for quite some time. So I couldn't make sense of that sentence. So she says that now she is healthy because she didn't take care of herself properly for quite some time. How does the editor, Erica, counter criticism on the actress? She says things like, you can't blame her for trying to fight age. And this is all about the pressure of Hollywood, because when you're beautiful, you get jobs and attention. That could be the reason why so many Hollywood stars undergo plastic surgery. Does she think film stars influence normal women? Yes. She thinks the Hollywood mentality trickles down to regular women. How has Friends star Courtney Cox tried to reverse the effects of aging? She went overboard with deep Botox in the past, and she felt trapped in her own skin, which means that she used way too much Botox. And then she felt trapped in her own skin. She didn't feel like herself anymore, but she couldn't get out of her own skin anymore. And the last question, what are Cameron Diaz's experiences? It changed her face in a weird way. She would rather see herself aging than have a face that does not belong to her. Okay, that's all for exercise 9. If you have any further questions, just send me a message.